Political confrontation over President Draupadi Murmu's recent visit to West Bengal has intensified, with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee rejecting allegations of protocol lapses. Addressing the issue, Mamata Banerjee said there was no breach of protocol during the President's program near Siliguri on March 7th. She said any mismanagement was the responsibility of the private organizers and the Airports Authority of India. The Chief Minister also said the state government holds the President's office and the Constitution in the highest regard and urged critics not to blame the state administration. Her response came after Prime Minister Narendra Modi criticized the Trinamool Congress government, calling the alleged treatment of the President shameful and unprecedented. He said any insult to the country's first tribal woman president would not be forgiven. Meanwhile, the centre sought an explanation from the West Bengal government by 5 p.m. on March 8th. Union Home Secretary Govind Mohan asked the state's chief secretary to clarify issues related to protocol, venue arrangements, and the route taken by the president's convoy. The centre also questioned why the chief minister, chief secretary, and director general of police were not present to receive the president. The political exchange continued after the Trinamool Congress circulated a 2024 photograph showing President Murmu standing while Prime Minister Narendra Modi was seated during a ceremony honoring veteran leader L.K. Advani. The controversy began after President Murmu expressed displeasure over the last-minute change of venue for a Santal community conference near Siliguri and the absence of state leaders at the program.